Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahajanan English Medium School, Nathej at Una. I am taking SS subject. Today I am taking 7th Standard SS, chapter number 3, Government. Okay, beta, it's a part 1 was completed. Now it is a part 2. But literally I given a small introduction about the government. Every country need a government to make a law as a per its constitution. Take decision and the employment there. It works for the people. Okay, so government is necessary for us or not? Why it is have a necessary government? Okay, so every nation required a government to take different decisions and also to carry out different works. Okay, government is do the different work for our country, of the people. In every nation, the government is required to the make law according to the constitution and to make amendment is in them. Okay, the government is required to implement the law equal to all the peoples. All are equal because it's in democracy, the government is necessary to run administration according to wishes of the people, because we have a democratic country. Okay, only the government had public welfare work. Government do the public welfare also. Whenever the disaster will be a come, every time the government have to take on the decision for the welfare of the public. Thus they maintain peace and law and order to enable to countries development. The government is required. That's why the government is necessary, required. Okay, you know. Okay, what are the function of government? Government have a lots of functions. So, number one, it's a form law following to constitution and the employment. Then they're given the employments. At the large in the running administration according to the wishes of the people and public. It carry out the survive function of the public welfare. It's reversal social and the economic public or ensure. It's try to improve the economic condition of the country and the eliminate unemployment and the poverty of the people. गरीब लोगों को भी unemployment कम करना. Okay, it's also functions relating to the education and health. The government have a responsibility. The education and the health will be going smoothly, properly. Okay, it's distributes food, grains and other commodities through the ration shops. It helps to maintain education institutes and hospitals financially. It helps the affected people in the natural disaster. It arrange for the judiciary court. Its managed survive like a transports, post, railways, etc. It tried to maintain peaceful relations with the foreigner countries. The government functions to the maintain peace and law and order and sees that the nations make a progress or not. Now there is a small introduction. Those who are the backside we will be completed. Now lesson chapter will be started from here. Organs of the government. It must have realized that the organizations responsible for the proper functioning of the country is known as a government. Therefore, the government is the essential organs of the nation and has to be perform various functions. The all functions will be done by the government for the uh, maintain the country. Okay, the government frame act and the law and ensure that the proper executions. It seems to that it the law is a suitably interpreted and the implemented and also ensure the justice is done or not. Okay, the aim that the fame law is known as a legislative which impress the Vidhan Sabha, and that which is executive the law is called the executive. The arm that work toward the implementations of the justice is called a judiciary, and it takes action against offers. Okay, beta. The organs responsible for the functioning of our country is known as the government. There are the three government part or arms of the government: legislative and the executive, and the important justice. What the means of the legislative assembly? The law making body of the government is called a legislative assembly. The implementary body, according to the law made, that is a executive committee. And the body which a function is in part justice is a judiciary. India has a federal administration in the meaning, okay, that the government function has a two level. One is a central level and the state level. The government at the national level is called a central government or a union government, as a government at the state level is called a state government. Things. What are the organs of government? Why are they necessary? They are the three organs of the government bodies. Okay. In the upper paragraph has a given the legislative assembly, executive committee, and the judiciary. The legislative body is required to frames laws. Okay. The executive committee to exist the law, and the judiciary to penalize. Penalize means given the punishment, or to punish the lawbreaker. Those who are the lawbreakers, they have to given the punishment or penals, otherwise given the fine. Okay. What would happen if there was no judiciary? अगर judiciary नहीं हो तो क्या happen होगा? What happen if the judiciary is not there, does not exist? People would hardly follow law voluntarily. It's too much hardly following. Okay, might and right. Okay, would become the law. Anarchy would become a rampant. People's freedom and the security would be threatened. Okay, it's a completed threat. Fundamental right of the people would not to protect. हमारे जो राइट्स है वो ख़त्म हो जाएंगे, वो प्रोटेक्ट नहीं होंगे. द गवर्नमेंट वुड बी अनएबल टू कैरी आउट द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ नेशन. बहुत स्मूथली जो चलने वाला एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है हमारे नेशन का, दिस वुड बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. संतुलन ख़त्म हो सकता है. ओके, सो जुडिशली विज बी नेसेसरी फॉर happen. If they are not, is there is too much trouble is coming for our country. Okay, India is vast country. Every time we have to say our country is vast. Okay, बहुत बड़ी है हमारी इंडिया कंट्री. Up to the union of the different states. The constitution has made Indian into the union of the state for the smoothly functioning of the administration. If the government has going held, is for the smoothly going. Otherwise, we have to suffering lots of problem because we have a vast country. Thus, India is a federal state. This means that the government functions as a two level, central and the state level. Those who will be in the state level will be done, and then the central government, central state will be done the completing the work. Okay, the government at the national level is called the central union government. It's look after the administration of the whole country. The whole country will be doing the government at the state level is called the state government. In the state, that means in the Gujarat, will be done the work, that is the state government. Okay, if the disaster will become and any difficulties will be suffering in the state government will be doing and solve the problems. We will study more about the organs of the state government here. The legislative body of an Indian state may the organs of the state government. The legislative body of the Indian state may have one or two houses. The lower house is known as the legislative assembly, and the upper house is called a legislative council. Okay, I will show a back side of this. I was later on explain. It's given the full information about the state government. Okay, but I will complete this paragraph last. The governors is also part of the state government. The state of the Gujarat has a only low house. Our Gujarat has only low house. That means a legislative assembly. Most of the state do not have the legislative council. Okay. Now this is first is a part state government. We have start the study about the state government. That is our Gujarat means a legislative assembly. We are start about the legislative assembly. Okay, in the lower house. This is the Gujarat have a situated. Okay, state government held by uh, governor. Okay, then governor have into the three part. Which one? First one is a legislative body, second was the executive body, and the judiciary. What their works? If the legislative bodies have a two works, legislative assembly and legislative council, and executive bodies have a one function, chief minister and a council minister, and judicially having the lower district and the taluka court and the high court. They are doing the work of this. That means there is a three main bodies of the state government: the legislative body, the executive body, and the judiciary. Have a have a we have three parts. Okay, three parts, this and this. The executive body in judiciary. Every state have a India has a legislative assembly. Legislative bodies in every state um, have it. Okay, it's made up or one two or houses. It low house is called a legislative assembly. Hmm? And upper house is called a legislatively council. We have for these two parts. Okay, the state executive committee have a governor have to be held. Okay, chief minister and the council minister held be a legislative bodies. There is a one high court is only state. They one high court in every state, only a one high court. uh, our uh, our high court is there, one high court in every state. We have also high court in the Ahmedabad. They are the some other court under the authority of the high court. जितनी भी कोर्ट्स हैं सब सबकी अथॉरिटी हाई कोर्ट के नीचे होती है. ओके, दे इंक्लूड डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट एंड द तालुका कोर्ट. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट एंड द तालुका court also situated. Okay, I will given the some another information about our country administrated. After general election, whatever the general election will be done, the president invites the leader of the party which has got the majority in the elections. If sometime the party has not got the majority. Okay, how is a country administrated? After general election, the president invites the leader of the party which has got a majority in the election. Those who are in the majority in the election, that means those who are win. Okay, if sometime the party has not got the majority, it seeks support of others parties and they a jointly selection their leader to be a prime minister. The president appoint him to the prime minister, which the recommendations for the prime minister. Okay, the president appoints other ministers. The prime minister all allots each of them a responsibility uh, of one or more than one pet policies. Okay, all the minister carry out the administration of the nation through civil service officially. So our country, the government will be a main part in our country because they have be a the government state level called be a state government. The legislative body made up to the two houses is doing the hard work for the state and then the country. Okay, generally one question coming in our mind: it is possible to administration the country without the government? गवर्नमेंट के बिगर हमारी कंट्री चल सकती है, yes or no? If it is yes, so also given why, and if it is a no, so also given the why. So without government is not possible, the nation will be a going, possibility is not there. Okay beta. No, without government, administration of nation is not possible. So why? every india every nation need government to take a different decision, because in our country have a lots of decision. So it's to work accordingly. They want to be doing the work accordingly, step by step. In our country also, school, we have to see in our school, in our house, one are the head in the house. Okay, if they given the one by one step, so our house will be going smoothly, running smoothly. School also, their principal given the instructions, or teachers and teachers given the instruction of the students. So same of these things, the government is the base requirement for the administration. Family law according to the constitution, our constitution will be going to the family smoothly, executing them and the making amendment in them to done by the government only. It's done by only government. अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा तो बेटा देश में हर चीज़ होगी और कोई कंट्रोल करने वाला नहीं होगा. तो गवर्नमेंट शुड बी compulsory for the controlling everything. Okay, the government is required to maintain peace and law and order, and to bring about progress in our country. He was the government will be a peace in our area, and following the law also there, and ordering, they will be going the progress in this smoothly in our country. Only the government can carry out good administration. Okay, government have to be a taken the good administration of our country, which is a good for our country, which is a not good for our country. This decision is good for or not, they will be a going smoothly, and thing done for the people. That's all thing done for the people. The government is required to executive the law performs formed by the government equally among all the people. That means all the people are equal, all are a citizens, so all the facility will be done for everyone. Okay. How is the country administration? हमारी country का administration we will be explain you already. So our chapter will be over here. Okay beta. In the next lecture I will given the exercise of this lesson. So be stay at your hand, be happy and enjoy your life. Goodbye.